Now again this is the 8th standard workbook. We are at the next part. We are at part 1, measurement, worksheet 5. Choose the best answer. The dimension of solid includes length, breadth and height. Any solid will have 3 dimension: length, breadth and height. Which one of the following is a 3D shape? A triangular pyramid is a 3D shape. Okay, pentagon will have 5 sides, hexagon will have 6, polygon will have n number of sides. See the number of edges in the rectangular pyramid. So you can see this is the topmost point, this square is the base. Okay, so this is called as rectangular pyramid. Okay, if you open it will be like this. So as we can count, there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are total 8 edges. Okay, how many vertices does a cone have? A cone has only one vertices. Sphere has a curved surface. As you can see, it has only one curved surface. Cuboid, a cuboid has adjacent side different. Okay, cube, a cube has all the sides equal. A cylinder has 2 base and 1 curved surface. 2 base, bottom and top, 1 curved surface. So cone will have 1 surface and 1 bottom surface, 1 base and a curved surface. Sphere has only curved surface. Okay, say true or false. A polyhedron can have 3 faces. It is false. Pyramid has no space diagonal. True. Euler's formula is true for all the 3 dimension shapes. Yes, it is true for all the polyhedron too. Every solid shape has unique net. Yes, they all have unique net. Differentiate between 2D shape and 3D shape. 2D dimension has length and breadth. 3D dimension has length, breadth and height. Verify Euler's formula for the given solid. As you can see, there are total 7 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. Top and bottom 2. Total 7 faces. Vertices 10. Edges 15. So by Euler's formula it should be 2. And by calculating Euler's formula we get it is as 2. So Euler's formula is verified. Next, draw dotted shape of tetrahedron. So this is a dotted sheet where we have to draw tetrahedron. So it is drawn. It is like this. It should be on the diagram. Verify Euler's formula for XYZ. So faces, vertices and edges are given to us. So F plus V minus E should be equal to 2. So 6 minus 12 is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 goes to that side of equal to it become plus 6. So X equal to 8. So 5 plus 5 9 minus 9 equal to 2. So 5 minus 9 minus 4. Minus 4 goes to that side becomes plus 4. So Y is equal to 6. 20 plus 12 minus Z equal to 2. 20 plus 12 32 minus Z equal to 2. Minus Z equal to 2 minus 32. So minus minus being cancelled, Z equal to 30. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel so that whatever the updates I upload, it gets to you first. Thank you.